In this video, we'll address common queries for South African shoppers about international online orders, tackling concerns about buying from foreign sellers. Topics we will cover: paying for online orders with credit cards, safety in placing international online orders, dealing with delayed deliveries, understanding international tracking, handling import clearance and taxes, need for an import-export license, identifying legitimate import tax requests, understanding and paying import tax, and import-export license requirements. Paying for your online orders with credit cards. You can use local credit or debit cards for online foreign currency payments within SARB's guidelines. Transactions up to 50,000 Rand are allowed, but splitting for one import is prohibited. Payments exceeding 50,000 Rand require an authorized dealer like a foreign exchange broker. Stay within limits for legal transactions. Safety in placing international online orders. In the world of online shopping, protect yourself from scams by opting for established sellers. Research beyond their website by checking reviews on platforms like Trustpilot and verify trustworthy payment methods. Scrutinize contact details and confirm PayPal verification when available to ensure a secure purchase experience. Dealing with delayed deliveries. When facing shipping delays, understand that international sellers wait for cost-effective shipping, causing post-order delays. Refer to the stated delivery period on the seller's site or order confirmation, allowing a 2 to 3 month window for non-delivery reports. Act quickly if the estimated delivery date elapses, seeking replacements or refunds as seller responsibility ends then. Monitor tracking using the provided number and exercise patience for transit delays, but act within the delivery period for optimal resolution. Understanding international tracking. After placing your order, the seller prepares your items for shipping. Once shipped, your parcel moves through checkpoints, clearing export and entering transit. Shipment delays might adjust the estimated delivery date. On arrival in South Africa, import tax payments may be required. After customs clearance, the parcel is dispatched for delivery, and you'll be notified when it's out for delivery. Handling import clearance and taxes. All international purchases need South African customs import clearance, usually upon arrival. Some sellers clear the goods pre-shipping to avoid delays. Importers must pay import tax, including duties and VAT, often facilitated by couriers who send payment instructions via email. Need for an import-export license. An import-export license is needed if importing goods more than 3 times a year, for goods over 150,000 Rand, or intend to resell, or for international payments through your bank. In the world of international online shopping, certain concerns arise frequently. Let's address these to ensure a smooth shopping experience. Identifying legitimate import tax requests. Scammers are using fake import tax payment emails to steal money. If you receive an unexpected customs clearance fee email, don't pay it. To verify its authenticity, compare the email details with your seller's shipping notice, including the courier names, tracking info, and order numbers. Ensure the requested payment aligns with the actual import tax rates, which are usually 16.5% to 70% of the importer's cost. Contact the courier's call center using reliable contact information, not that provided in suspicious emails. Understanding and paying import tax. Paying tax on imported goods into South Africa is mandatory, and rates vary based on the type of goods. Import taxes are separate from the price displayed on international sellers' websites. You're responsible for determining if the purchase is still worthwhile due to potentially high duties. For instance, clothing attracts import duty of around 40 to 45%. Refusing to pay import tax results in shipment destruction with no refund. Calculate your import tax using the duty directory and calculator, considering possible deferment fees by the courier for customs clearance. Import-export license requirements. An import-export license is needed under certain conditions, including importing goods over a specified value or quantity, or with the intent to resell. If you've exceeded these limits, you might still need to register as an importer. As South African customs can enforce this requirement at any time, having the license allows unlimited importing without recurring fees. Acquiring it is hassle-free, taking 5 to 10 days, and approval is guaranteed. This license ensures efficient handling without dealing directly with SARS. In conclusion, international online shopping offers access to a global marketplace, but it requires careful consideration. Prioritize safety, be aware of fees and taxes, and consider an import-export license for a seamless experience. If you need help with your import-export business, contact us at 087 075 1415 or visit our website at tradelogistics.co.za. Thank you for watching.